either a glamorous event or a non-glamorous event. It's not something that occurs, it's just a location in space-time. Just like we have locations in space, if you have a location in space at a specific time, that's what an event is. And then space-time, the four-dimensional reality of our universe, is just the collection of every event. Just like space is a collection of an infinite number of points, indexed by the three dimensions of space, space-time is a collection of an infinite number of events. What we want to do is to understand those events and internalize it so well that we can throw away the division of space-time into space and time, to treat it as one truly four-dimensional thing. This is a very difficult trick to pull off intuitively. We're not used to thinking four-dimensionally, but we can train ourselves to do better and better. The real difference here is the difference between the Newtonian view of the universe and the Einsteinian view of the universe. They both have a four-dimensional space-time. In both Newton and Einstein, you need three dimensions of space, one dimension of time. The difference is that they divide space-time up into space and time in very, very different ways. If you were Isaac Newton or any of Newton's followers, you thought that space and time are separate and they're both absolute. So when we say that space and time are absolute, we mean that they're given, we know what they are. There are no choices to be made. It's not up to us. Different people don't have different kinds of space or different kinds of time. So in a Newtonian point of view, you would say, here's an event, here's a point in space at a moment in time, and for any one event, there's something called the present moment. That is to say, to any one event, there's a whole three-dimensional slice through reality, and that moment is the same time as this event. It is all of space at one moment in time. It is a notion of simultaneity. What set of events happen at the same time as this particular one event? So the picture in your mind is of a four-dimensional universe, and time slices the universe into moments of time. In a Newtonian point of view, both time and space are there given to us. Any one moment has a present, everything before it is its past, everything in front of it is its future. Now, whenever we get to these confusing issues of space and time, it is very helpful to ground ourselves by thinking operationally. In other words, by thinking about clocks. One way of thinking about time